imagine you have a poem. Now I'm gonna copy a poem from one of the websites. I'm going to place it in Tom Cruise's profile. Sorry about that. But this is how poems look in the real world, I mean, in the books. But if I place it in the paragraph, I have to see this in the most weird form. So it's all like a sentence. I mean, you could also notice that there is a border and next to the border there's no space and it looks very ugly. We'll fix that. We'll fix that in no matter of time. So if you look at these poem, I mean, we have to format it, but what is the best way to format it? Is it using BR in every line? Yeah, it definitely fixes that, but just think about it. I mean, when you might be having a very hard time doing this. So there should be some way that HTML allows, right? Or the browser reads. So there's something called pre-tag. Now what the pre-tag does is, however it sees in the code, your HTML code, it renders it in the same way. So that's why you're just looking at it the same way as in the code. But it is never a good practice to show like how it's in the code. I mean, it's always better to format like how we did here with paragraph tags and OL and LI, and not just show like how it is in the code. So we'll be looking at different alternatives. We have margin, padding, border, and a whole set of features in HTML. We'll be looking at that in the upcoming videos.